Hey tubers, I wanted to show you a tool I use all the time. I made this about 25 years ago. I screen out my own material on the property, or if I'm doing a job like now, I'm building retaining wall. Almost all done. And it helps me a lot. What happens is when you try and level where you're putting the blocks, there's all those big stones. And when you're using something to scrape it, all those big stones, they just keep rolling and rolling and rolling. So I dig down a little bit further, and then I screen out some material. And I just collect it. You can see how fine this stuff is. It packs down good. It makes leveling so much easier. It makes the job go quicker. So I use it for that. I use it up anytime I have topsoil. I screen out the topsoil. I get out the rocks, I get out the sticks and the branches and the roots. I stick in the garbage out, put it out every Thursday. And the rubble I use to fill in areas that are washing out. You can also use them in window wells, things like that. Anywhere where you want to stop runoff. I made this out of 2x6, made a frame. The material is galvanized. I believe they call it wire cloth. It's 1/4 inch. Holds up pretty good as long as you're not banging a shovel in there. You'll get some holes in it or something. But I replaced this cloth once in 25 years. I built this 25 years ago. I made this out of scrap wood that I had laying around. Cut one board in half, 2x4. I made some rails. Usually I put this on top of the wheelbarrow. And I made these long enough so they would sit on the edge of the wheelbarrow and not fall off. I usually use a little hand trowel or a shovel to move the material through the screener and get the dirt down into the wheelbarrow. Whenever I can, I try and screen material from my own property. This just saves you money. That screen saved me a ton of money. This rock retaining wall, which I'm finishing up now, I have about 10 feet to go. The rock I got for free when they were expanding some roads where I live and also putting in water lines. They don't want to throw them back on top of the pipes. They may break them, so collected all those. That was free. They want $400 for a pallet of these now. This entire wall cost me about $500 in cement. I mixed the sand to make the mortar. Sand I got the right here on the property by screening it out. Saved me a ton of money. This is screened topsoil. When I was building the retaining wall, I screened out what topsoil I had. I put it up here. Bob Kellen up in Newfoundland, he made one of these screeners, hooked it up to a motor, and it works really good. I'll put a link on this video. You can take a look at what he did. Did a fabulous job. Works great for him. Well, I hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving. And until my next project, see you later.